Berri? Berri? No, Berri! Berri! Berri, Berri!
Boof! Boof, boof! Boo, 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 boo. Boof! Boof, boof, boof! Boo!
Berri!
Boo!
Berri!
Hi, Boof. Hi, Berri.
Berri?
Boof!
Ooh, a rainbow. I want to play on a rainbow. Is there room for me there?
Berri, Berri!
Boof!
Ori just got back from a really fun imagination walk. Do you guys know what imagination means? Imagination is when the things we pretend in our mind become very real.
Berri!
Boof!
Does that sound like something you've done before? Ori wants to share his favorite parts of the trip.
Berri!
So we're on our daily walk with Izzy and Rayo, but we've been told that somewhere over there could be a T-Rex and a baby shark. So we'll see.
Be ready, adventure team. We might need your help.
Ooh, I like your green hair. Get mama.
Hi, my angel.
Daddy? Mommy? And Daddy? Daddy?
I'm a bee now. I'm a pollinator. Buzz.
Ooh, I want to be a pollinator too. I'm going to be a dragonfly.
What do you want?
Pollinators spread pollen from flower to flower. Without them, we wouldn't have any food.
Ori, did you see that T-Rex?
What, Daddy?
Go find that T-Rex, Daddy and Ori. Do you see the baby T-Rex anywhere? He's blue.
Tata.
A Triceratops?
Do you see the Triceratops over here?
Baby Tata.
Babies, do you see your babies right there? They want to come up and say hi. Hi, Triceratops family.
Wave to him, Ori.
Hi. What do you think they eat? Triceratops are herbivores. What does that mean? Does that mean they eat greens? And beans? Yeah. Here, you offer it out to them. Mommy will offer some too. Hey, what is that you're doing there? After we eat, we gotta go poop. Everybody poops. There's nothing imaginary about poop. Gotta throw the poopy in the compost bin. I guess you're not a herbivore. Is that a shark in the water over there? Sharks really live in the ocean, but in your imagination, they can live anywhere. It's a blue shark. Ooh, I think Florbon is coming to say hi. That's an ET.
Hello, Ori. I see that you're using your imagination.
It's a lesson learned. What is this? You don't litter and yucky. goodness, look how cute that baby lion is. Who knew baby lions sounded like that?
That's crazy.
Did you?
Oh.
What did you sound like when you were a baby? A great way to use your imagination every day is to look up at the clouds. Look, do you see a fish? It looks like a baby fish. Right next to it, I see the letter E. And right next to that, I see Y. Fishy! Hi, Fishy!
See you later, Ori. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, use your imagination all the time. Remember, you're out of this world.
Using your imagination is so much fun. You really should do it every day. It's how we create our world.
Boof, boof.
Try it yourself. Go on outside. Okay, Boof and Berry, I'm gonna come play on the cloud too.
Oris Outdoor Adventure. Come have lots of fun. We'll spend time in nature and have learned lots when we're done. Oris Outdoor Adventure. Come have lots of fun. We'll spend time in nature and have learned lots when we're done.